Okay, so we're here at the home for Tanya Culpepper, about to do a brittleness repair test and see if this shingle is repairable. So we're going to start with popping shingles loose here. This will be the shingle that I'm actually going to simulate the repair on. Now to get the nails out of this. As you know, I got to pull the nails from the shingle above it, and in doing that, right here, it already breaks the shingle because of the brittleness of it. As you can see, pieces are coming out right here. This is due to the shingle being exceptionally brittle. As you can see, I'm trying my best to work it without lifting the tab too high, so as to not create any kind of damage. And you see it pops right through those nails. Any kind of pressure pops that nail head right through the shingle. You see that? Right there. This nail head right here, it just breaks through very, very easily. Press that down in and through. All right, let's see if that was enough of them. Okay, so there's my shingle coming out. Now I have already caused some damage to the holes, creating big holes inside the shingles right here. All right, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna zoom in on it and show that big hole right there that's happening. This is due to that brittleness here. All right, now I'm gonna take the same shingle, put it back in place, just to simulate this repair. Okay. Okay, so now get this shingle nailed back in. That right there is causing the granules to peel off like crazy right here, and that already broke the backing on that. Just getting the shingle up high enough to be able to actually nail into it. Now mind you, just pulling the shingle out, pulling that original nail out, you can see just how bad that area is right there. Talking about this right here, created a large hole. right, and so that shingle right there has now got a broken matting on it right here. The fiberglass is broken inside of there, and we've got granules peeling all over. So like this one here is now broken. That one is broken too. You can see just how easily that tab is flopping now from this repair testing. And now I'm gonna have to pop these shingles loose up above as well. Last one right here. Right, now of course I'll add some roof cement down to that to make them stick again, but the problem we have here is that this shingle here is now broken. As a result, it's got a crease in it now, right through here. All right, and again, it broke just attempting that little bit. This one right here, it's the same thing. If you look closely right here, you'll see, bear with me, you'll see that it's also broken right there at the top. You can see that. Get my hand out of the sun here. But right there at the top of it, it's broken. See if you can see that spot right here. All right, shingle is extremely brittle. So that wraps up a repairability test for Tanya Culpepper.